Today we're going to be talking about a bird who moonwalks. Check it out. Mannequin is a name translated from Dutch, meaning little man. As you can see, these branches are these birds' dance floor. And boy, oh boy, do they know how to shake their tail feathers. They dance like this to catch the ladies' eyes, if you know what I mean. Sometimes they even dance by jumping over other males like this. Pretty cool, huh? Well, check out some of these other crazy bird species and the way that they dance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much. Stay curious. Have a great day. Bye.